Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you the two ways to find the speed of your RAM. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start the first one. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to check the speed of RAM, first of all go to Start and search for Task Manager. As soon as I write Tasks, here is Task Manager on the top. I will click on this. And over here you can find this interface. Now go to Performance and over here you can see Memory. This memory means our RAM. Click on this, you can see I have 8 GB RAM. As soon as I click on Memory, you can see here is the speed. You can see speed of my RAM is 2400 MHz. This is the first way to check RAM's speed. Now let's go to the second method. To proceed further, first of all open your notepad and type this on your notepad. I'll also keep this on the comment below. You can just copy and paste. For the second method, first of all copy this line and now go to Start and open Command Prompt. You can see here is Command Prompt. Click on this and just paste what we recently copied. Ctrl and D and type Enter. And you can see speed is 2400 MHz. This is the same as we checked from the first method. In this way, we can check speed of our RAM. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.